In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can export from Blender and import into Unreal Engine so that we can work with the animation, the rendering, and interaction. So we can use this for interiors and exteriors. Of course, there is a lot of work to do in here. You can see there are missing materials and also other issues, but that's a start. So if you want to know more, there are video courses in the channel that can help you manage Unreal Engine and also Blender and also 3D architecture in Blender. So first of all, let's start in Blender. What we need to do is just go to File and Export. And if you want to import in Unreal Engine, the two options are FBX and GLB or GLTF. So GLB is a package format, and it's probably going to be the best. And GLTF, it's a format where you have the mesh and the textures divided. FBX also should be a compact format where everything is inside. So probably you want to make sure to pack all the resources before you export. But anyway, to export, you can go here to File, Export, and choose FBX. I'm going to choose FBX in this case, but perhaps I'm going to do other test later on, and also again check the Blender and the Unreal Engine video course. And here you can choose if you want to export only the selected objects, visible objects, or the active collection, meaning the collection that you are currently selecting in Blender. Once you made that choice, you can choose if you want to export also the cameras, the lamps, only the mesh, etc., etc. And also in the geometry, if you want to apply the modifiers, or because otherwise they probably won't be readed by Unreal Engine. And then armature, if you want to export animation like character animation, and also here you can check this on and off. And once you make these choices, just hit Export FBX. And this will take a while, especially if the scene is quite complex, like this one right here. So let me show you here. We have all the interiors and everything. And again, this is in the video workshop that you find in the channel. Okay, so once you do this, you can just close Blender. And let's go here in Unreal Engine. In Unreal Engine, you can see I already imported everything, and of course you can play the simulation, and if you create collisions, you can go around, you can walk around, and so on. And so this texture here is probably being imported. This has also a displacement effect because probably this was packed into Blender, and all the white parts, these are like empty material. So we need to like recreate the material, retrace the textures, or again just try to pack all the resources and then export. But anyway, we can just work now in Unreal Engine. To do that, we go to File, and sorry, now is in Italian, but just go to File and look for Import into the level. So here, just select the folder where you want to import, and just choose the file that you want to import. So in this case, I'm going to go with FBX, and I saved this into this, sorry, not this, but, well, I called here export, a folder called export, and there it is. I exported the entire scene, which is quite heavy, not too much, but quite, and everything was important in terms of meshes and some materials. So if you want, you can check the video courses in the channel. Just search for example, Unreal Engine and video course. So you can find the Unreal Engine video course in English and also in Italian. And also you can find Blender 5. And also, if you want, you can look for 3D architecture design video course. And also you can find laboratories workshop that will help you to work with Blender and other software. So this will be all for this course. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, stay updated. If you want to support us, thank us, join the channel. and go and check our playlists, especially the English playlists for you. And that's it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next.